So both the end results are amazing. I'm so much excited to share the entire process with you all. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshita and here I present my next video. So I realize it's been some time now since I have uploaded art video on my channel, and as you all know we are again in lockdown, so I can't go out and buy the stuff which required to create something beautiful out of it. So in today's video I decided to make something like, by the name of this video you must have understand what I'm talking about. But I have made those earrings out of the material which I already had at home. So I had those cotton threads at home which you can use to create crochet as well. So I used those thread and create two beautiful pair of earrings, one of which I'm wearing right now, you can see. This is simple tassel earring and the another one is very beautiful actually crochet earrings. So for all the process, if you know like basic crocheting, and if you don't know, you can check out so many YouTube tutorials are already available for how to start your crochet. Only two simple basic stitches are required to crochet that entire earring. So I'm hell excited to share the entire process. I have tried to explain all the details, but still if you are confused, you can check out other YouTube tutorials. So the very first one are this tassel earrings. So I'm going to share the process of which with you right now. So check that out. Firstly, take some object for the proportion order, and do not forget the number of counts you are taking around that object, and just take it out, cut at the both the ends, and take 5 to 6 strands. I have taken the 5. Make a small hoop and try to put it around your earrings like this, and this is like literally one of the easiest method to make tassel earrings. Once you are done with all the tassels, try to give it a shape a little bit. So once you have given the shape, try to open up those tassel thread by using this needle teaser which I had from my textile practicals. But if you don't have this, you can also use your regular needle just to open up the threads of your tassel to make it more fuller and give that extra bouncy and more pretty look. And finish by little trimming if required to give it more circular and attractive look. So the second one is simple crochet. I have created these beautiful earrings by using that crochet technique. So second one is right here. First try to wrap some thread around your index finger to make a slip knot. Then take your needle from inside of your thread, make a loop and try to take another loop out from the first loop, which is your slip knot. So once your slip knot is ready, take another loop on your needle and try to take third loop from inside of your earring like this. Now you have total 3 strands on your needle. Then take a new loop and try to take it out from first 2 loops of your present on your needle obviously, and then one more loop from last 2. So now your treble is ready. So all you have to do now is try to make as many trebles as the space is there on your earrings, and cover the entire earring by making such trebles one after another. So once your entire earring is covered by all the treble stitches, try to take one small loop from the last loop of the stitch and try to fix it or stretch it and make it tighter. Now take that same loop and Make 5 chain stitches like this. So once you have made 5 chain stitches, try to put it in alternate treble stitches like this. Just take your needle, put it under, take one loop out. Now you have 2 loops on your needle, and then take another loop out from both of them. So your chain is locked, and repeat the same order until you have finished all the treble stitches in alternate order. So once you have covered the entire loop, take that last stitch out and make a bigger hole, and then cut it, then pull the extra thread out. So now you have two strands, first one and the last one. Now try to make one knot around it, so it will like secure the entire crochet pattern, and just don't let it open. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, after making a knot, try to cut those extra threads to give it more proper finishing look. So yeah, the earrings are almost done. These are the crochet earrings which I have crafted. These are actually very beautiful, but the thing is these hoops are quite big, and these earrings are turned out to be so big for my face. But if you have smaller hoops, so this is going to be the marvelous product that you have ever created. I'm going to wear this and show it to you also. But yes, if you can see, it has like really beautiful pattern I have created out of it. So yeah, check this out. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching this one. If you like this video, do not forget to like it and also share it with all your friends, so they can also get their creative stuff out and create something beautiful for themselves. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this one.